Good morning, you guys. It's 6:15 right now. I'm at Vaughn's. This is not usually where I would come in the morning if I wanted to get something at 6 on a Saturday, but I needed to charge the car, so I figured we might as well, kind of put myself in a semi-decent area. This is actually a fairly solid area. This is Claremont. I usually don't get out at 6 anymore because lately when I get out at 6 in the morning, I feel like a lot of time is wasted and I don't get anything until 7. So if something pops up, awesome, I'll take it. I'm, like I said, not going to be expecting too much. I feel like every time I film, I have a decent day. So hopefully soon I'll be letting you guys know what we get to start the day. We finally got one. Like I said, didn't expect anything from 6 to 7, which was pretty accurate. Nothing came through. And I was almost to Gelson's in PB, and this guy popped up right here. Thought about it for a second, and I was like, what if Gelson's hasn't dropped batches yet? And like, what if they drop like a 90 on me, or Sprouts drop something, because there's Sprouts in PB too. So I just feel like, you know what, I'm not above a 28 to start my day. It's a good tip. We're gonna take care of her on this order, and there's no alcohol, so I don't have to go all the way to that store where they suggested me to shop. I'm gonna do the shop here at Vaughn's in Pacific Beach. So it's real easy, it's quick, and then just a little, probably 10-12 minute drive up the coast, and we should have time for one more before Costco drops, because Costco's gonna drop around 9 o'clock today, and hopefully it actually drops some orders for me, because this week has been an interesting week when it comes to that. So we're gonna jump inside and we're gonna bang this order out real quick and try to get to another one. Alright, so we're back, and first of all, I don't know why I didn't take that Vaughn's order immediately, because it was really easy. It's that FOMO, the fear of missing out, thinking like you're gonna miss out on a banger order because you're gonna take a small one, which honestly, that's not even bad. Like, it was an 18 tip, it ended up going up a little bit, and then after I dropped that one off, first of all, she was a repeat. I think that's why it sat on my screen for like, I don't know, 3 seconds before I decided to take it. Then this popped up right here, which I just got back from, because I was like, let's just run it, let's just make it quick and not film, because it was a really small order, it was easy. She was also a repeat. I don't know if you guys have noticed the pattern that you get a lot of the same customers, and I feel like when you talk to your friends that do Instacart as well, it's like, oh yeah, she was a repeat, that's why I got her. You start to see your friends get orders because of their repeats. So with as much as Instacart is up and down, I think the one thing that we can rely on being somewhat consistent is those repeat customers and us being able to get the orders, at least to a certain extent. I'm not sure, but I've definitely seen a pattern with that. So it is 8:15. Usually Costco drops orders on Saturday around, I've seen them as early as like 8:45, so we might make our way over there in a little bit, but we're gonna hang out for about 15-20 minutes just to see if we can get anything else in PB. So I'll let you guys know what we get next. So we're sitting at $61 for the day. We came to Costco, we didn't get anything easy or quick or banger-ish over in PB, so we came here, we got a little 52, which is a slight grip, and we're gonna run it. The second drop off is an apartment, and it has 3 cases of the glass Pellegrino water from Costco, so it will be a slight grip, but we're fine. The tip, it checks out. It's about $30 between 2 customers, so I'm not gonna complain. Puts me up around 110, 112 or something like that. So Costco's about to open the doors. It's 9:18 right now, and we're gonna run through this and see how this goes. I'll let you guys know what the flat looks like, because it's obviously gonna be a slight grip. Also 3 cases of water on the first order, but at least that's a house. So they're about to open the door, so we're gonna go inside and get this done. All right, so there it is. We got A right here. This is a separation, the paper towels, everything in the back. That's our second order. 17-minute shop. We went to our favorite cashier. He got us out quick. So now we just gotta load her up and get down to Point Loma. We are done with that. I'm not gonna lie, they both could have tipped a little better, each of them. Slight work though, Had some stairs on both of those. That was a second floor apartment. The first one was a house, but it had some stairs. But we're not complaining. We're up 113 right now. It is 10:20-ish, 10:22. So I will probably start going back north. I'm pretty deep right now in Point Loma. The volume is usually not that good down here for some reason. I know it's Saturday, but sometimes I'll hang out here and see a lot of like small trash or nothing sometimes. So I'm gonna start making my way back towards Midway where most of the stores are, and if nothing pops up on my screen within like 10-15 minutes, probably gonna go back, see if Costco has another one for me. Maybe they'll send me north, which is where I like to work a lot, up in Del Mar, Encinitas. So solid start, and I'll let you guys know when we get our next one. Got this little guy, you know, Hillcrest calls. So we decided to come over here and do it instead of doing it at Ralph's in Sports Arena. So single order, a little bit of items, but should be pretty easy. All right, so we are up 203, 204, and it is 1 o'clock. Yeah, 200 by 1, that's a solid start. We were out early, but honestly, like, that's a good number. We haven't gotten anything massive today. I just got back from running a little 40 something. Gelson's pretty quick shop. I have had them before. I think out of all the orders I've done, I've only had like maybe 2 people not be repeats. So we're on track today. Even though it doesn't seem like a super hot Saturday, it seems like a pretty decent Saturday compared to normals. All right, so we're back. I don't know what time it is. It's like probably 3 something. We ran a little something at Vaughn's earlier, and the lady upped her tip, so that was nice. But I wasn't really seeing a lot. I was seeing a lot of stuff that was like really far away. Like I'm talking 15, 20 miles, not even close. They weren't good, obviously. And then I decided to come back to Costco. As soon as I get to Costco, while I'm parking, I miss a 50 Vaughn's single. That hurt. And then immediately after I missed that, like probably 2 minutes later, I got this order, which I'll show you guys on the screen. Started as a 47, and then it was like 15 items, and I was waiting for an add-on. Nothing came. I don't know why add-ons are like non-existent lately. So then I went in the store, grabbed a flat, and I saw she was adding items, so I knew for a fact it was gonna go up. I just didn't know what it was gonna go up to. Ended up being 60 plus. And I think we got lucky with this because I just talked to one of my buddies, and he was here for a long time not getting anything. He was just on a second order from Costco. So some days they just shadow ban you and it's really messed up. But all right, we're gonna run this right now. So we're back where we started this morning at like 6:15. We are charging in Claremont again. I needed a charge. I'm at 30 miles on the day, so we're at 317. That last order was really cool because I felt nice helping out someone who had just had surgery yesterday. She had knee surgery, so hopefully that heals up quick for her. But in the meantime, I'll be happy with delivering orders for her. So I'm gonna charge up here until I get something good. I'm not gonna be picky. I'm gonna try to get to 400 as fast as possible. It's been a good day, but I've talked about this before. Any momentum can be slowed really quick, so we don't want that to happen. I honestly hope I don't have to charge for more than like maybe 15 minutes or 20 minutes before getting my next order. Okay, so what is happening right now? What is going on right now? There's literally a Costco over there, which I guarantee there's like 40 campers, and yet I get this one over here. So I don't even know if I need a flat or a cart or what. Coming with me. Let's go. Yeah, so I'm not even gonna attempt to do this by myself. I'm gonna like go straight to an employee and see if they can direct me in the right area. I'm not gonna have them shop it for me. I just want them to get me to the right location because this is huge. This is like a Home Depot. This is a massive store, and they've only been on the platform for, I don't know, probably a few months, maybe 4 or 5. This is the best Lowe's I've ever seen. This is like a warehouse store. Like there's paint, and there's like furniture and just a whole bunch of stuff. So we're gonna try to find someone to help real quick. Okay, so this is the final flat. She wanted wicker baskets, bunch of bins. Lowe's actually has aisle numbers, so it was literally telling me that this was on the end cap in the back, and it literally was accurate. Like, what is going on? I thought they weren't even gonna have some of the stuff. I thought I was gonna have replacements or refunds, but this is crazy. We got everything, and also these were the last 3 of this size bin that she wanted. And we got the lids, obviously, can't forget the lids. Wow, all right, let's get going. Easiest lows ever. There's the total. Solid. It's a really good percentage. All right, we just delivered. She told me to place it right there, and I thought I'd catch a quick, beautiful view. Very nice. Look at that sunset. Fun fact, that was a repeat as well. I swear, repeats all day. Repeats have been saving me. I was wondering why I got that order. I've delivered her order here, not from Lowe's, but like Vaughn's, Ralph's, stuff like that. And I'm here almost once a week, give or take. We just snagged a pick-me-up right here. And we also just snagged this right here, which is right down the street. I was actually planning on going to Lazy Acres, hanging out for a little bit. It can be a good store. Sometimes I've gotten some really good orders out of there, but I haven't experienced a lot of volume, so I didn't want to give it too long. But this is solid, easy. Gets me 407, I believe. 20 flat tip. We love flat tips. So we're gonna go do this and then probably have to charge one more time real quick. So we're gonna go grab these items, take them over to Hillcrest or wherever this drop-off is, and then find a charge spot. So it's a good day, and it's still early, even though it's dark out. It's 5 o'clock exactly. So let's go get over to Lazy right now. All right, we got it done. Literally one bag. Got a little alcohol in here. We have to scan an ID. But I honestly think these orders are the most slept on orders. The shop took 2 minutes. I know there's a lot of people that see the number 27 and think that's a small number. You have to think about items, distance, one customer, all that. And I mean, come on, like 20 flat tip, you can't be saying no to that, especially when it's this low of items. We are hustling over to Vaughn's. The chargers are back there, so I'm gonna leave the car charging. We just scored a 29 single flat tip at a different Vaughn's, but there's no alcohol, so we're gonna shop it here. This is like the tough hours because there's so much trash. I literally had 10 batches on my screen, just lots of trash. People just lazy, not trying to go out and shop for themselves. So this is solid. It's a house delivery, I'm pretty sure. Let's make this quick. Flat tip. We love flat tips. As soon as we dropped off that other order, this popped up. It's supposed to be done at a different Sprouts, but it only makes sense to shop it here because it's literally right where I was, like very close. So no alcohol. I'm gonna run this 27 items, $4.72 after. Still early, you guys. We had a couple refunds on this, so it's gonna go down a little. And communication with the customer made this longer than it should have. It's like a 20-minute shop. We are checking out almost, and then we are gonna be on our way. I think it's about a 12-minute drive. Puts us in just above Mission Valley. So plenty of stores around and plenty of evening left to make some money. So I don't know if it got slow or if nobody wanted to tip proper or if I got cut off. I sat for like almost an hour seeing nothing but garbage rotate on my screen, just constant garbage. So we ended up getting easy little 23. It's gonna get me very close, I think over 490, so 5 is still possible for sure. Probably gonna end it after 5 though, because I need to have a good day tomorrow. All right, so we are home. We ran a quick little 10 to end the night. I was charging in Claremont and I decided to give it a little bit of time so I could charge the car. I ended up going and getting my dinner, and then nothing really was coming through for about 30-40 minutes, so I decided might as well take some trash out just to get over 5 because I was not gonna go home without 5. I could have ended it earlier by taking some other trash out, but I decided, give it a little bit of time because sometimes there's some late hitters on Saturdays. We all know that. Other than that, I'm very grateful. I'm happy for the day. I had a lot of repeats. Shout out to the repeats that picked me up. And, that Lowe's order was solid, best order of the day. But, it just goes to show you guys, you don't have to get triple digits. You don't have to get massive banger orders in order to clear some good numbers. I ran plenty of 30s today. I threw in some 20s, a little 10. And at the end of the day, as long as you guys keep moving, you're gonna keep running those numbers up and hit a good goal at the end of the day. So hopefully you guys are crushing it this week, and good luck out there tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one.